Clients will often ask, how much life insurance do I need? My recommendation is don't answer that question. Do something called reversing. What I want you to do is ask the client, before I answer your question, do you mind if I ask you a question first? If something were to happen to you, do you want your life insurance to allow your family, your loved ones, your spouse, your children, to remain in your home and maintain their current style of living? And often the client's going to say, yeah, well, of course. So then what is that number? That number is what we call full economic replacement value or human life value. And that number can be found in our agent guide. There's a chart that'll help you calculate what that number is. So once I know that number, I'm going to show the client that this is your full economic replacement value. But I'm also going to show them other opportunities to buy life insurance that may be of lower face amount. So I don't want to overwhelm them. So if they only pick 25% of that replacement coverage, that's okay. Why is that okay? One, I did my job because A, I educated them on what they could get, and B, I did put life insurance in place. But once I've done that, now they're a client. And now I have the opportunity to educate them as I do policy reviews and move them towards that full economic replacement value in life insurance. That's why asking the question, how much life insurance do you want versus how much life insurance do you need, is so important. They always want the amount of life insurance that's going to allow their family to maintain their current style of living.